Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share.
Oh, welcome back. Can you make an omelette with one egg? The answer is sure, but you need a small frying pan, really small frying pan. And it is also not easy. So several years ago, my friend Tommy gave me this challenge using the wok. So here is my answer. And Tommy was impressed. I'm using my Cuisinart 14-inch stainless steel wok that has just been seasoned with my spot seasoning method. Now, stainless steel wok as well as frying pan has a bad reputation in frying eggs and making omelettes. They tend to be sticky, and the eggs like to stick to them and get really messed up. However, I found that if I season my stainless steel wok using my spot seasoning method each time before I cook the egg, the wok behaves as if with non-stick coating. Therefore, to make sure the wok is well seasoned, I let it season for an additional 15 seconds as I normally would. So okay, let's find out whether it works or not. I'm going to crack a single egg into the wok. Now, the Cuisinart wok is also known as a wok pan because its flat bottom surface is larger than an average flat bottom wok. Therefore, it also could be doubled as a small frying pan, a feature that I really like. I spread out the egg yolk over the surface of the egg as much as I could. Now, some of it ran over the side of the egg, which is quite alright because it just makes a bigger omelette. Now, using this method, I don't need a small frying pan to restrain the flow of the egg because the white of the egg is pretty much self-constrained. In the case of a beaten egg, the egg will flow out to cover the entire flat surface of the wok. And this is the reason why a beaten egg would not work in a wok like this. In this case, the skin of the egg would be too thin to be able to fold properly. So now the egg is almost 70% cooked. I'm going to first fill it with some scallions that I found in my advanced preps. As you can tell here, that the egg is very small, not too much room for fillings. Besides, if you overfill the egg, it will not be able to fill properly into an omelette. The scallions appear to be perfect to be used as filling in this case. Now at this point, I turn the heat off completely because I have an electric stove which will take time for it to cool down. Well, I'm trying to figure out what else that I could put into my one egg omelette. Well, I found some shredded cheese in the refrigerator. Well, then I thought that will be a perfect to add to the filling. Here I would like to caution you not to make the same mistake that I often commit when making egg omelettes, which is to overstuff the omelette with fillings. This makes the omelette impossible to be held together, and I hate it when an omelette breaks apart and make a mess. To fold this omelette, I use a silicone spatula to hold the omelette in place, and then I'm trying to fold the omelette over with the wok spatula. I then press the omelette down with the wok spatula to help it to seal. Now, as you can see, the stainless wok did its job really well in maintaining a non-stick surface. Otherwise, it would be a mess. So, okay, here is a single cheese scallion egg omelette. So, what is the verdict? Well, I like it actually better than the regular egg omelette because of the texture of this egg omelette, which is both soft and crispy at the same time. When I showed this to Tommy, he also liked it very much. In fact, we both cook this single egg omelette regularly when we are looking for something light. I have not heard of anybody cooks an omelette like this, but I'm not surprised other people take the same approach. Oh, maybe I should call it Walk with Tak Omelette. I have been posting video daily for over a year to show you how I cook every day. I want to demonstrate to you cooking could be a place of refuge and calmness in a topsy-turvy world. The goal of my YouTube channel is to show you that home cooking could be fun, relaxing, and empowering. And also, I want to demonstrate that how you can cook with spontaneity, intuition, and instinctiveness. And when that happens, you will find cooking to be fun. At the same time, you will find it to be enjoyable And this is what makes home cooking sustainable. The fast cooking system has undoubtedly changed the way how I cook as well as my relationship to food, but it also changed many other aspects of my life. And for those of you who are looking for a home cooking system, I hope the fast cooking system will have the same impact on you as it is on me.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click like, subscribe and share. See you next time.